Okay, so that is the basics to creating a news page. The nice thing about the next two page types, being events and person, is it works the exact same way. So we're not going to have you reinvent the wheel, but I do want to just show you what an events page looks like. So I opened ours for IT, training events. It looks like the exact same idea as a news listing page, but we have an events listing page. So it's our job as publishers, creators, and editors to create the actual events. And really, the only difference is it's a difference of fields and the type of information. So in event, the required information here is it has a required date, a time, and a location. You have to have all three of those elements in order for it to be an event. So I'll just demo what the event content type looks like. It's not going to be anything that doesn't look familiar. So if I go to create content and then event, it's the first one on the list. Here is where that information that I mentioned is required. Time, date, and location. But something that we do talk about in this class is the option to categorize your events. So right now we have 4 options for you to choose from, or you can choose more than one. We have a case open with that will allow us to add more types for the category. I had a group in here that said, well, we have musicals and plays, and where does that fit into those 4 categories? So that's on the list to be as an enhancement. But what this does is, as long as it allows users to search your events. If you've got a lot of events in your area, it allows them to search by the category, as long as you assign a category. So it's not a required field, but it's definitely something you want to check when you're going and creating your events. There's no new tabs that you see there that you didn't see in the news listing, so we won't have you go through the entire process again. But as long as you publish it, it'll end up on that event listing page.